Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into the quickest way to check Maryland lottery winning numbers. So you never miss a chance to win. Welcome to our channel. Getting your Maryland lottery winning numbers quickly and accurately can save you time and keep you on track to potentially hitting the jackpot. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you check your numbers with ease. First, head to the official Maryland Lottery website. This platform is the most reliable source for the latest winning numbers once they're located. Section titled Winning Numbers or Past Drawings. On this page, you will find the results for all current and recent draws, including popular games like Powerball Mega Millions and the state-specific lottery games. Next, choose the game you played. This is important to ensure you are looking at the correct draw results. For example, if you played the Pick 3 or Pick 4 games, select those respective links. The results will be clearly displayed with the latest winning numbers and the date of the draw for quicker access. Use the Maryland Lottery mobile app. Both iOS and Android versions are available, and the app keeps you updated with real-time notifications about winning numbers and jackpot changes. Once you open the app, just select your game and instantly see the latest results. If you prefer offline methods, visit authorized retailers in Maryland. Many of these locations post winning numbers on boards or screens. You can also ask the cashier for printed results after the draw times. Lastly, if you want to stay informed without checking daily, consider signing up for text alerts or email notifications on the Maryland Lottery website. This service sends immediate updates straight to your device. No matter where you are now, you have multiple efficient methods to check Maryland Lottery winning numbers fast and reliably. Remember to always double-check your tickets, and good luck on your next draw. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to get more helpful guides and updates.